Now we make flowers by color strips. Class 4 we require A4 colorful craft papers. You like this you will pay the market. A4 color size paper like this you will get from the market. Colorful papers we required as papers as you have, or we will take the paper, 2 color papers, and we will cut the strips. We will cut the strips 1 centimeter. We will cut the strips as thin you have, equal size. I think 6 paper we required. Like this we will make the papers strips. Like this we will make the paper strips. We will keep the strips like this. Third, and this is the fourth one from the center. Like this we will keep the strips and stick together. First strip, make the center point. First see here how we will make the center. Fold the paper, make the mark, same size, make the mark. Like this we will keep the paper and make the marks like this. These are the mark. First we will put the Fevicol here center, and we will stick the paper like this. Then we will take the Fevicol and put the strip like this, and the last strip. Like this we will stick the strips with the Fevicol. See, like this we will put the Fevicol in the center. After this we will do this all the paper, fold the paper on the center one by one, opposite side. See, like this, opposite sides. See, like this. Again the opposite side. Like this we will stick the flower. Now this is the last strip. Like this. In the end we will take the stars or cut the strips, some papers in the square circle size. Stick in the center. Like this we will complete the flower. Like this we will make the flower and keep it dry aside. And we will take the A4 paper, A4 color paper or the color paper as you required, color sheet, and we will make the mark like this. This is the strips. and we will cut the leaves and draw the leaves like this. And we will stick the flowers like this. Like this I have done for you. See here with a paper, and we will stick the flowers like this. Or you have no color papers, then you can use the colors. You can use the colors and color the paper like this. See, like this we will make the pot, and we will stick the flowers like this. Like this we will stick the flowers. Or we can make the pot like this. We will make the pot like this. We will take the paper. We will take the paper and fold from the center, and we will make the mark like a pot. Like this we will make the pot here. Now see here, I have done one for you like this, and we will paste the pot here. And we will stick the flower here. Take the put the gum here, and we will paste the flower like this. See here, now some butterflies are there, and we will take the color and we will shade here. Like this we will complete our artwork. See, I have done for you like this. If you have no color papers, you can do like this, white color papers. You can use the white color paper. See, like this you can make the flowers like this.